3 things that you must come to accept. Most people ignore the last one. First of all, self-control is strength and calmness is mastery. You have to get to the point where your mood doesn't shift based on the actions of someone else. Don't allow others to control the direction of your life, and don't allow your emotions to overpower your intelligence. Second, avoid being overly kind to everyone. Not everyone deserves your kindness. Kill people with silence because not everyone deserves your attention. And third, in 3 generations, everyone who knows you will be dead, including the people whose opinions stopped you from doing what you wanted to do all along. Imagine someone you know achieved every dream and hit every goal. Then some years later, they get old and die. And 2 years after that, how much would you care? If you accomplish your goals and dreams, do it for yourself. If you made it this far, drop a 100 in the comments. That just means you're part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. 3 things that you must come to accept. Most people ignore the last one. First of all, self-control is strength.